It's a recurring horror for Palestinians. Some of the last images from Kamal Adwan hospital in northern Gaza. Hard to distinguish where the wounded on the floor become the dead. This was the last medical facility for nearly 400,000 besieged Palestinians. On Friday, Israeli troops took over. Activists say men and some boys were rounded up, forced to undress, interrogated and arrested. A pattern on repeat across hospitals in Gaza for 385 days. Their grim choices: be bombed in their homes or risk being shot if they try to flee. Thousands have been forced to move yet again. Once the largest refugee camp in Gaza, now Jabalia is a desolate graveyard where bodies lie in the streets. Israeli bombings have disfigured the roads, and Israeli soldiers have torched UN-run schools. And everyone who could offer help is a target.
Emergency services have stopped completely in the northern Gaza Strip after Israeli occupation forces ordered civil defense crews and paramedics to cease operation and leave northern Gaza.
But thousands of starving Palestinians can't leave because nowhere is safe in Gaza. The 3-week siege of the north means food, water and medicine have all run out.
When I want to feed the children, I split the bread into quarters. I give each one a quarter so I can feed them again in the evening. That's so they can sleep on a half-empty stomach rather than going to sleep hungry. This is a severe struggle.
It's not just the north. This is what's left of the Subuh family's home in Khan Yunis. 3 members still buried as their relatives use bare hands to dig through concrete rubble. Hassan Subuh, who volunteered for Doctors Without Borders, is among the missing. They found his vest, and in this sheet are remains of someone blown up by Israeli bombs. On Friday, the Al Farouk Mosque and Salehin Mosque were also destroyed, so no structure is left to provide refuge. Parents call this a war on children, as almost half of Israel's victims are some of the youngest Palestinians. Those who survive struggle to cry as the war continues to take everything from them. Osama bin Javaid, Al Jazeera.
Make sure to subscribe to our channel to get the latest news from Al Jazeera.